Good morning, YouTubers. I'm up early trying to figure out what I'm going to eat for breakfast, and I have the slightest idea. The only thing I know is I want a nice cup of Cuban coffee, so I can think straight. Anyway, I'm going to, after the cup of coffee, I'm going to make something to eat. I'll figure it out as I go along, so follow me. This is the potatoes that I chopped up. I chopped up some onions, some green pepper, and some red pepper. So I'm going to use some olive oil to fry this up, and I'm going to use this complete seasoning that I made. So let me just heat up the pan, and we'll start frying it. Okay, so we're going to start frying up the peppers, the onions, and the potatoes, and everything that I chopped up. So I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to add some of my sazon completo, the one that I made. I'm just going to put a little bit. I have a video on how I made my sazon completo, my seasoning, if you're interested. Leave a comment down below. I'm going to mix it up and then let it fry. Now add the red peppers and the green peppers. And I'm going to add the onions last because I don't want them to burn. So I'm having, with the home fries or the papa frita, I'm having sausages. So I'm going to have that. And I don't want to eat eggs this morning, so I'm just going to have my breakfast, my home fries and coffee. Aquí tiene mis papas fritas y cafecito cubano. This meal is a very easy meal to create, and it's healthy. You know, you have the turkey sausage, and you have the potatoes and the peppers and the onions. You know, it's muy simple, it's muy saludable. It's very easy to make. This meal is something you can have this meal any time of the day for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Well, guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Gracias por verme, and thank you for subscribing. And tune in for next time. Okay, hasta la próxima. Bye bye. Until next time, many blessings.